Hi there, my name is Khalid and I'm here to invite you to Contest 2021 where I'll be doing a workshop on Introduction to Data Analytics and Data Quality. We'll be taking you through the journey of what a data analyst does, which is they ingest data, cleanse data, curate it, and then develop data models, which is then used for data science and data analytics purposes. Data quality is an important aspect in this journey, and you'll get an hands-on exposure to identifying data quality issues across all these stages. We will run these exercises using basic tools that you use on a day-to-day basis. Towards the end, we will have programming exercises as well, but you don't need any prior programming experience. If you are exploring to build a career as a data analyst or in data quality, this workshop is definitely for you. Looking forward to seeing you at the conference.